Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to greet people in a different time of the day. So please follow up with me. So indemin aderke. Indemin aderke means good morning. It's for plural. Indemin aderke. Indemin aderke. It's good morning and it's for singular, for male. Indemin adersh. Indemin adersh. Good morning. It's for singular, it's for female. Good morning. Indemin walshu. Indemin walshu. Indemin walshu. Good afternoon. It's for plural. Indemin walk. Indemin walk. Indemin walk. Good afternoon, and it's for male. Indemin walsh. Indemin walsh. Indemin walsh. Good afternoon, and it's for female. If you already noticed, she comes for female. So, you can maybe take it as a hint. She, it's mostly for female. Indemin walsh is for female. Indemin walk is for male. Indemin walsh. Good afternoon. Indemin ameschatschu. Indemin ameschatschu. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Indemin ameschatschu. Indemin ameshesh. Indemin ameshesh. It's good evening for male. Indemin ameshesh. Indemin ameshesh is for female. Dehna ideru. Dehna ideru. Good night. It's for plural. Good night. Dehna ideru. Dehna ider. Good night. This is for male. Dehna ider. Dehna ideri. Dehna ideri is for good night for female. Dehna hunu. Dehna hunu. Dehna hunu is goodbye for plural. Dehna hun is goodbye for male. Dehna hun. Dehna huni. Dehna huni. Dehna huni is goodbye for female. Selam. Normally we use selam, means peace, but we also use it as hello. It could be used for male, female, or plural. If you don't remember all the others, you can just say selam, selam. So everyone will notice that you are trying to greet. Ameschatschu. Ameschatschu. Ameschatschu is thank you. Ameschatschu is thank you. So I also would like to say thank you for watching, and please follow us for more. We have also other Ethiopian cultural, historical, interesting facts in our channel, so please visit us for more. Thank you very much.